I'm swimming in everything it said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But one and the same, you got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours. I'm thinking about jumping. I'm swimming in everything it said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Welcome to Thailand.
Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone. See when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But one and the same, you got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow.
Train to Boracay.
Next station, Labrabad Station.
It's so tiring. Parang Pad Thai. Wala, masarap ba? Masarap lang.
King Junction.
Guys, nakatapos na namin kumain. Ngayon mag-iikot-ikot kami. Gusto kong pumunta sa 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, here we come! Today is September 2 and it's our temple. Ang ganda! Temple day. Pero guys, mag-floating market muna kami, so bala ko magpalit ng damit. Para masuot ko lang yung favorite ko na damit. Gusto ko lang mag-picture dun kasi yung pinaka-favorite ko. Geng, 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 geng.
Ayun o, gusto nyo dyan.
Let me get one.
15.
Para barbecue.
Sarap. Ayun na. Bukas ko, ayan, masarap yun. Ano lang?
Ay, brown.
Mami, napili natin.
Hawaiian second love.
Ano na lang ako?
Joke. I want the chocolate. There's no matcha. Can we order one coconut ice cream, please? Pretty. Another 7-Eleven. Try namin yung Thai milk tea. Hinanap ko pa yun. Thank you. Guys, namili kami ng damit. Naghahanap kami ng withdrawal kasi wala na kaming cash. Ang daming magaganda dito sa Bayote. Ano to? Basta yun. Tignan nyo, tignan. Diba ang gaganda? Hi! Safari day!
Where you from?
Philippines!
Huh?
Philippines!
Philippines. Filipino, right?
Boy.
Kalmahan mo lang, Ben. Kalmahan mo lang. Okay.
Guys, we're here at Safari World.
Okay. Eat lunch, okay?
Mấy hình kia còn ai mà.
Ito, medyo manggulo siya. Wala. Thank you, Mark!
You got to leave and pass it.
What's up?
Okay.
In Safari World in Thailand.
Guys! Say hi to the vlog! May show kaming hinahabol. So, yala.
we're going to the next show. We don't know what is that next show, but we are going there. Yes. For Safari World, we have 7 shows. Then we have turtles.
All the sun, and now he's homesick and dead.
Oh.
Ano? Ay, Iya. Sino si Iya?
35.
31, please. Hi guys! We're going to Central World. This is our last day here in Bangkok. Later, uwi na kami. First time na mag-tok-tok. Hindi din ako masyado nakakapag-vlog kasi more on shopping na kami dito sa night market. Tapos may morning market sila. Mas mura at saka mas magaganda. Kaya maaga kami nag-iisip. Pero iba yun ah. Iba sa umaga yung mga tinda. Iba sa gabi. Okay? Central World.
Bangkok.
Mom! Hinahanap namin to, nandito lang pala. Vlog takeover by Oops.
What the cup?
Here. Papasok na muna kami sa loob. Naantay namin yung sila tita. Kasi nandito pala yung exotic food. So, papasunodin na lang siguro namin sila. Or babalik kami later.
So, kulang na kulang yung 4 days, guys. If you want to go to Bangkok, it should be like around 6 days or 1 week.
Guys, lumabas na kami. Later na lang kasi ito sa Big C or hinahanap namin yung Pop Mart.
Guys, kapag sa...
Kaso ang laki. Kailangan ko ba to? Guys, here. Kulay brown. I want brown.
Kaya ito, wala na ako sa focus sa goals ko. Si Pao.
Guys, I don't know. Ang ganda rin nito, guys. Pero, ayun yung kinuha ko. Kasi gusto ko ng brown.
Is it far from here?
Not far.
Thank you. Kyle.
Anak ko talaga ayaw. Hindi ko kaya.
Go!
Try mo lang na.
Ito yung malito mo.
Back. Ay, kuwawa naman si Bakbak. Ang init.
Walang